Hey friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Satish. I'm working as a data scientist here in Gurgaon, India. In today's video, we will see how to install Anaconda in our Windows 11 laptop. So first, let's just type Anaconda in Google. Now click the first URL of anaconda.com. Here we can see the download option where we are getting Python 3.9 version, 64-bit graphical installer, and this is of 621 MB size. If you have Mac OS or Ubuntu or any other Linux operating system, you can choose these options. Right now we have Windows here, so I will click download here. It is asking me where it wants to install. I will now choose downloads. So you can see that the exe file is getting downloaded. It will take a couple of minutes. We can now see that the downloaded exe file is complete. So now let's double click on it to begin the installation. Let's minimize this. Now we'll click on next. Now this is the license agreement. I will select I agree. Now I will select all users which requires admin privileges and just me which is recommended. So I will just select just me. Now you can specify the location where you want. I will check the default location where it is getting installed. The space required is 3.7 GB and space available is 192 GB. So no issues. Now we can see that I'm having two options: add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable or register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.9. I will let it be chosen and go with this option and click on install. Now we can see that it is getting installed, which will take some time. So now guys, you can see that we have successfully installed Anaconda. The installation is complete. Now let's click on next. Now again click on next. Now I will uncheck these. I don't want these right now. And then click on finish. So that's it. We are done. Now guys, that we have installed Anaconda, I will go to search. I will type Anaconda here. I'm getting options of Anaconda prompt and Anaconda navigator. I will select Anaconda navigator. So guys, we can see there are different pre-installed tools when we install Anaconda, like Datalore, IBM Watson, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, PowerShell, then Qt Console, Spider, VS Code, GlueWiz. Now we will launch Jupyter Notebook and create a sample Python program. Jupyter Notebook is launched now. I will create a folder. I will name the folder as demo underscore Atish. Now I will go into this folder. I will click new here, select Python 3. Now this will create a Jupyter notebook for me. I will rename this notebook as demo 1. Now I will write print. This is Python notebook. I will press Control plus Enter together. You can see that we have got the printed output. Now I will go to next cell, click here plus, one new cell is inserted. I will type A is equal to 1, enter, B is equal to 2, enter, C is equal to A plus B, enter. Now I will print the output. The sum of A and B is. Now I will press Control Enter again. You can see that the output is the sum of A and B is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So this is how you can install Anaconda and then simply launch Jupyter Notebook and get going with your Python work. Thank you guys.
So if you get any value from this video, please click the like and subscribe buttons to support my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.